Are you missing out on thousands of dollars because you're ignoring Pinterest for your affiliate marketing? Stick around to discover the secret tricks that top marketers are using to drive insane traffic and boost their earnings. First things first, why does designing visually appealing pins matter for your affiliate marketing success on Pinterest? It's simple. Eye-catching pins grab attention, and if they stand out, people will click them. A well-designed pin can be the difference between someone scrolling past or stopping to see what you have to offer. But how do you create such pins? Start with high-quality images. Your pins should be visually attractive and high resolution. Avoid blurry or pixelated images at all costs. You want your audience to see the care and effort you put into your content, and that starts with crisp, clear visuals. Next, let's talk about compelling titles and descriptions. Think of your title as a mini billboard. It should be enticing and succinct, making it clear why someone should click on your pin. Use action words and address a problem or need that your audience has. Your description should support your title with more details, but keep it concise. A clear, compelling description can make your pin even more irresistible. Pinterest SEO is another crucial aspect. Using relevant keywords in your titles and descriptions can improve the discoverability of your pins. Think about what terms your audience might be searching for and incorporate them naturally into your content. Don't forget about hashtags. These can help categorize your pins and expand their reach. Optimized descriptions also play a significant role. Make sure your descriptions are informative and include those keywords you researched. This helps Pinterest understand what your pin is about and show it to the right people. Now, here's a quick tip. Use vertical images. Pins are arranged in columns, so vertical images take up more space and are easier to notice. Also, consider your pin's design elements like fonts and colors. Stick to a consistent style that aligns with your brand. Understanding how to create pins that stand out on Pinterest is crucial for driving traffic to your affiliate links. What are some of your favorite tips for making your pins pop and attract more attention? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Are you struggling to find the right niche, understand affiliate marketing, or simply drive traffic to your site? I'm here with Profit Pulse, your essential guide to overcoming the challenges of affiliate marketing. From choosing profitable niches that spark your passion to mastering SEO and creating high-quality content, Profit Pulse provides actionable insights and strategies tailored for both beginners and seasoned marketers. Stop feeling overwhelmed by technical skills or compliance issues. Navigate the complexities of affiliate marketing with our expert advice and start scaling your business effectively. Don't miss out on elevating your affiliate marketing game. Visit digmarketing101.com/newsletter to subscribe to Profit Pulse today and turn those affiliate marketing challenges into achievement. Let's grow your business together. Organizing your pins into boards that reflect different niches or topics related to the affiliate products you're promoting is essential for keeping everything tidy and easy to navigate. Start by categorizing your affiliate products into specific niches. For instance, if you're promoting health and wellness products, create boards for fitness routines, healthy recipes, and mental wellness tips. This way, your audience can easily find the type of content they are interested in, enhancing their overall experience on your profile. Joining group boards is a fantastic strategy to expand your reach and increase engagement. Group boards are collaborative spaces where multiple pinners can contribute, amplifying the visibility of each pin. By joining relevant group boards, you tap into a larger audience, setting the stage for a higher interaction rate. Look for active group boards related to your niche and reach out to the board owner with a thoughtful request to join. Collaboration with other pinners is another vital aspect. Start by identifying influential pinners within your niche and engage with their content. Comment on their pins, share their content, and build a rapport. Once you've established a connection, propose collaborating on a pin or board to cross-promote each other's content. This mutual exchange not only fosters a sense of community, but also drives traffic to your boards. Consistency is key when sharing content. Aim to pin regularly to keep your boards fresh and engaging. Use a mix of original content and your pins to maintain variety. Scheduling tools like Tailwind can help you plan your pins and automate posting, ensuring your boards stay active even during busy times. Board sections are an excellent way to categorize pins within a single board effectively. For example, if you have a board dedicated to home decor, create sections for living room ideas, kitchen transformations, and backyard makeovers. This not only makes it easier for your audience to find what they need, but also keeps your board organized and user-friendly. Leverage Pinterest analytics to track how well your boards and pins are performing. Analytics provide insights into what types of content resonate most with your audience, allowing you to make data-driven adjustments. Monitor metrics like impressions, saves, and clicks to understand which pins are driving the most traffic and adapt your strategy accordingly. What's your favorite method for collaborating with other pinners to boost engagement? Let me know in the comments.